Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I've got a Stryker SR-955 HPC today. This is for Paul in Utah and it's a tune-up report. Paul, on this watt meter I have, 10 watts across the top scale. And I'm going to have the power in a low here. So I get the power all the way down. Just a little shy of 2 watts there. If I turn the power up, it's going to go off the scale. Let's go to the next scale. 10, 20, and 30 on the bottom. Coming in about 15. Peak power on this meter, we got 100 watt slug. So we're looking on the bottom here. There's 100 and there's 80 and 60.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And upper side band.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio.
Okay. Let's put it on here.